Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Thank you for watching this video again. So in this video for today we will discuss on the logical addressing. What is the logical address? The previous video we already learned what is the physical address. So today we learn about the logical address. So a logical address can uniquely define a host that connected to the internet. We need this address in order to identify the host connected to the internet. The logical address quite different with the physical address. However, both are represented in the numbering system. So in logical address, we use notation. Decimal notation. Okay, it is presented in the decimal notations. So you can refer to this one example. We have 192.100.10.0. So the total size of this logical address is equal to 32 bits address sizes. This one is included in the packet at the network layer. So during the communication, the physical addresses will change from hoop to hoop, but the logical address usually remain the same. So that's why we need the logical address in order to sending and receiving message or the packet through the internet or network. So look at this example. We have a computer that connected through the network. So we have three LANs that connected together. We have LAN 1, LAN 2 and LAN 3. So in this case, we have a PC A that want to send a data to a PC B. So this one is the sender and this one is the receiver. So the communication must go through LAN 1, LAN 2 and LAN 3. So we have a data. So the data will be encapsulated with the A and P. So A and P define the source and the destination address. So for example, this one A is referred to the source of the address and P refer to the destination address, which is referred to P. So A and P here is referred to the logical address. So PCE want to send data to the PCP through the network. So we have data, we encapsulate the data with the header. So the header we have the information about the destination and source addresses. Okay, and then we encapsulate again at the data link layer with the physical address. Why we need the physical address and why we need the logical address? Physical address to identify which nodes that this packet need to go. Okay, the logical address is the final destination. The physical address is the next destination. So let's say we have this packet. When this packet being sent from the sender, it will go through the LAN 1. So at this point it will find the destination of 20. Okay, this one is the physical address. In the real world, this is not the physical address, but in this case we use this part as the physical address. So the physical address, the source come from 10, the destination is 20. So based on this header, okay, we know that the data will travel into from this PC to this LAN, and this LAN going to through the router 1. So router 1 is the 20. Here is the physical address of the router. So you go to router 20. So at this point it will get an advice from the routing table which path that this data need to go through. So routing table will check on the router 1 will check on the routing table So it will identify what is the next path. So it will change. Okay, instead of 20 at here and 10 at here, 10 is the source, 20 is the destination. So when it come from this router 1, it's become 99 as the source, and the next part is number 33. So 33 is the destination, so it need to go to the LAN 2. So at this part, the physical address is changed. The logical address still remain, which refer to the A as the source, P is the destination. So it will go through the LAN number 2. So at this LAN number 2, it will goes to the router 2. So it will get an advice from the router 2 table, routing table 2, which path that this packet need to go through in order to arrive at the PC or P device. So at the part here, so 33 is here, and 99 is the source, 33 is the destination. So after router 2, the packet will be sent out. So it will change again the physical address. Instead of 33, now change to 66. So 66 is the source address, the physical address, the source physical address, and then the next part is the 95. 95 is the physical address for the PCP. Okay, so it go through LAN number 3, and at the LAN number 3, it will arrive at the PC with physical address 95. Physical address 95 refer to this header, and logical address is equal to P. So this is how the logical work through the network. It will help the packet that travel through the network in order to identify which is the right destination. So that's all for the logical address. So in the network, logical address will still remain, but the physical address will change based on the node physical address, because it travel from home to the home. So the physical address will change, but the logical address is remains. That's why we need the logical address in communicate through the networks. So that's all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Assalamualaikum.